Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a simple, quick, affordable, easy, bougie on a budget skincare routine. So for the past few weeks, my skin has been breaking out really bad. Like in this area, it's been like it's been a lot of like red bumps, and just like my skin has been extremely sensitive, as well as in my forehead. So pretty much just, I would say my T-zone, but it kind of spread out to my cheeks. So my skin has been breaking out really bad. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some pictures so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But I'm just gonna show you guys what I've been using as of late to kind of combat my skin from breaking out as much. And I don't do this every day, although I should. I don't do it every day because I feel like if I did it every day, I would probably have better results. But I've been doing it for the past couple days recently, and I've noticed a difference in my skin. I'm probably gonna try to show y'all some close-ups as well. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all some close-ups. Let me just see if y'all can see how my skin is looking. As you can tell, it's definitely cleared up some. So I'm gonna insert the picture so y'all can see like a before and after of what my skin was looking like. But I'm just gonna go ahead and walk you guys through what I do for my skincare routine right now. When I say it's really simple and extremely affordable, like literally everything that I have probably costs under $20 or under $10 for everything. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is just wet my face with water. So another tip, this really doesn't have anything to do with like the skincare routine, but it is important that you drink water, because that will eliminate the texture on your face as far as like the little bumps, like little heat bumps or water bumps, as some people call them. I call them water bumps. So if you drink water, you will notice that will kind of disappear, because I noticed last night before I drank some water, it was like a lot of bumps in this area of my face. So I drank some water and it went away pretty well. So I'm just gonna start off by just putting the water on my face. Very simple, very easy. But water is your best friend, so you have to remember that water is your best friend. Oh, true. Okay, so the first thing I use as my cleanser, because as of right now I don't have on any makeup, but by the end of this video y'all will see my daytime routine, and I think I'm going to film this again for my nighttime routine, but tonight I'll have on makeup, so y'all will see how I take it off and everything. So I use Noxzema. If you haven't heard of Noxzema, you need to hear about it. Hold on, let's see if it'll focus. So as my cleanser, like I showed you guys, I use Noxzema, and it's like a white. Y'all know what Noxzema looks like. If not, y'all gonna have to Google it. But this is what it looks like. It's just like a white kind of paste. I'll just kind of focus on the areas that are breaking out, and then I'll go around the rest of my face as well. And just to kind of get it in my skin. This product for me works really, really well whenever I'm experiencing like any type of breakouts. Like, I'll just put it on and let it sit. So I'm going to put this on, and I usually let it sit until it gets dry. And yeah, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna kind of work it in my skin so y'all can see what it does. It has like a minty menthol type of smell, but it also kind of smells like medicine as well. So I feel like that to me means that it's gonna work But I usually let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, but for today I'm just going to work it into my skin, and then I'm going to rinse it off. But you can, when you apply it, you are gonna feel like a tickling sensation. So to me, that kind of tells me that it's cleaning out my pores and making sure that I don't have a lot of like product buildup or excess makeup or just dirt and stuff that clogs my pores in my pores. So I'm just gonna work it into my problem areas. Mostly that's what I'm gonna focus on. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and wash this off my face. Once I wash this off, I'll go ahead and show y'all the next step. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like after the Noxzema. That's all I did so far. To me, I can tell the difference in my complexion. It looks kind of overall like a smoother complexion, a brighter color. It just looks to me more clean and more even all over. So what I'm going to do next is add my toner. And as far as the toner, it's not a specific brand, it's actually a specific rice water. So as y'all know, I do a lot of rice water videos on my channel, and I was doing some research on it and I saw that you could also use rice water as a toner. So what I'm going to do is I have this cotton ball. I'm just going to go ahead and spray the rice water on the cotton ball and see what this rice water does for my face. So it's supposed to kind of even out your complexion and all that type of stuff. I'll put like a list of what it does for your skin. If not, I'll just do a voiceover right here.
Yeah, thank you for the announcements, right? Anyway, I know you guys are probably dying to know why is she putting rice water on her face. But if you did not know, rice water can be used as a toner because it helps tighten skin, it helps minimize pores, and it's also supposed to help keep your skin looking smooth and bright. So not only can it be used for that, but I hear it's also good for like itchy skin or itchy skin relief. Let me know if you guys have tried it. If not, try it if you want. And here I go, y'all, watch this. I'm gonna be super extra with it. Why? Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video.
Okay, so now I'm just moving on to my liquid moisturizer. So this is my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. It's a gel hydratant. Yeah. So it's like a gel moisturizer. It's more liquid, it's more loose, but I do multiple layers of moisturizer on my skin because I do have dry skin in certain areas of my face. So honestly, I'm not gonna lie, this is probably too much for me, but I like to use too much as opposed to not enough. So what I'm gonna do first is just kind of I'm gonna use my ring fingers, and I'm going to be sure that it's evenly applied under my eyes first.
Yeah, at this point, y'all, I don't even know what I was talking about. I just know that I was talking so much. But I did you guys a favor and I muted it so that y'all could listen to this amazing beat in the meantime. Now, I told y'all in my last video, be on the lookout. I'm gonna tell y'all again, every single time that this beat plays, I'm gonna tell y'all to be on the lookout for some new music coming soon, okay? Coming soon. But I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and yeah, just watch the rest of my routine. And oh yeah, this is what it looks like after. This video is pretty much over anyway. What am I talking about? Yeah, this is what my skin looked like after. If you want, you can compare the before and compare the after. This is what I was working with. To me, it looks different. I can notice a difference. I hope you guys can too. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching my channel. I love you guys so much.
So that is my skincare routine as of now. I know it's super simple, y'all, but that's a good thing, and it's super affordable. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and please hit that notification bell so that you are alerted every single time I post a new video. Thank you again so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Let me know down below if there's anything you want to see from me as far as rice water, hair, music, food, mukbangs. Let me know down below, and I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. Again, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye.
Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.